This is Science Meter. In this lesson, you will learn how to calculate weight to height ratio and BMI in Excel. Body mass index is a simple index of weight and height that is commonly used to classify underweight, overweight, and obesity in adults. BMI values are age independent and same for both sexes. Keeping a record of weight to height ratio is important while considering sports selections, job selections, health record keeping, personal health goals, etc. As you can see, I use the World Health Organization's WHO recommended body weight based on BMI values for adults. It is used for both men and women aged 20 or older. I try to make a BMI calculator based on metric dimensions in sheet 2. BMI is a person's weight in kilograms divided by the square of height in meters. I insert it as a formula in cell B6. First of all, I should format the worksheet. I try to change font sizes, font styles, insert rows and columns, add borders, change background colors, etc. We need to define a specific color using color palette for every level in BMI standard. I use yellow for severe thinness, green for normal, and red for different classes of obesity. Next step, I want to change BMI background based on the colors of category using conditional formatting. You can use conditional formatting to highlight cells that contain values which meet a certain condition. To highlight BMI that are less than 16, I click highlight cells rules less than. Then I define value and color that should be appear for severe thinness. For other conditions, in the drop-down menu, I select between to define highlight rule for BMI in a range between two values. For example, I define BMI color for moderate thinness between 16 and 17. For the last cup of obesity, we should use greater than rule in the drop-down menu. Your BMI calculator is ready. You can change height or weight to calculate BMI, and also you can find your health conditions using colors and category. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.